Welcome back to another learning video. In this video, we'll be discussing a problem on the projection of lines. The question reads like this. A fan is hanging in the center of the room of 4 meter cross 3 meter cross 3 meter height. The center of the fan is 0.75 meter below the ceiling. The switch of the fan is on 3 cross 3 meter size wall at the center height and 0.5 meter from the adjacent wall. Find the distance between the fan center and the switch graphically. Why graphically? Many students try to find the length applying some trigonometrical formulas, but this is a question of engineering drawing, not on mathematics. You don't have to use complex mathematical formulas, rather you have to find the distance graphically. So let's try to understand this question. The fan hangs from the ceiling. The area or shape of the ceiling is like a rectangle and the length is 4 meter and width is 3 meter. In the question, the problem figure will be given like this. So here you can see the fan is hanging at the center and the center of the fan is at a distance 0.75 meter from the ceiling, and switch lies in a wall of 3 cross 3 meter, means this wall, at center height but 0.5 meter from one adjacent wall. Now if you join this point to this point, so this will be a line. So basically this is the problem of a line which is inclined to both the vertical and horizontal plane, and the front view is from this side. The floor as well as the roof is of a rectangular cross section of 4 meter and 3 meter, and the left side and right side they are of square cross section of 3 cross 3. Front and back side they are of rectangular cross section 4 cross 3. So with this understanding, let's try to solve the problem. Now what we have to do, we have to first draw a reference line xy. So on this we'll draw from the front view we'll draw the vertical wall, the dimension of which will be 4 meter length and 3 meter width. Now we'll name them as shown in the figure. As you already know, in engineering drawing, the usual convention is that you have to name the front view in dashed letters. So A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, then E dash, F dash, G dash, H dash. So this is basically the back side of the wall and front side of the wall. They are overlapping. Next we have to draw the top view. So on this top view, the roof as well as the floor, they will coincide. So their name will be the letters without the dashed sign. Then we'll mark the dimensions. Next we'll mark the fan center from the front view. So we mark the center line. Then we take 0.75 meter from the top line and P dash. So P dash is the center of the fan from the front view. Now we have to mark the location of the switch from the front view. The switch will be located at the center line from the front view. So it will be at a distance 1.5 from top and bottom, and we name it small q dash and we join them. Now if you consider this line P dash and Q dash, will this line be the true length or projected length of the line that connects the fan center and the switch? So this will be the projected length. Then we have to mark the location of the switch in the top view, which is at a 0.5 mm from the adjacent wall, and we name them Q. Now we have to mark the fan in the top view, which is at the center of the roof, and we name it P. Now join P and Q. So this is the projected length of the line joining the fan center at the switch from the top view. So the line which we have drawn here and here, both are the projected length. They are not the true length. But in the question, we are asked to find the true length. So how can you go from projected length to true length? The procedure is you have to rotate the line like this, and from that you have to project it onto the locus line of Q dash. Now you have to join this Q1 dash and P dash. So the length of this line will give the true length of the line PQ. And if you have done the correct dimensioning, the length of the line should be coming 2.36 meter. So after this, you can mention which one is front view and which one is top view on the drawing. This concludes the solution of the question. So hope you understood the answer of this question and the drawing procedure. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.